Hi, welcome to the pop-up quiz conducted as part of SciNQuest2025 by Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham, Amritapuri campus. This pop-up quiz is a warm-up quiz and is not the online prelims for BrainQuest and MathQuest. Those who have not registered, please do so immediately for the SciNQuest25 by visiting the page amrita.edu/SciNQuest. Before we start the quiz, let us go through some instructions. There are 5 questions in this pop-up quiz. Participants can attend the quiz by sending name, institution, contact number and the 5 answers in a single WhatsApp message to 790-7635399. Those who send it as multiple messages will be disqualified. Therefore, please send the answers in a single WhatsApp message. The quiz will be live till 9:30 p.m. tonight, and the answers will be released as a separate video by tomorrow 6 p.m. The winners stand a chance to win exciting prizes and vouchers. So please share this video to your family and friends so that they can also benefit. Now let us get into the questions, and I wish you all the very best. Question number 1. Sir Stamford Raffles, frequently referred to as the father of Singapore, is the individual depicted in this photograph. Something we all learned as the biggest in the world is named after him. What is that? Question number 2. The individual in the photo is René Laennec, a French physician who began utilizing a wooden tube to inspect something in the early 1800s. He was therefore given credit for developing a device that was used worldwide and observed by people all around the world. Name it. Question number 3. This person's notebooks, as you see in the picture, are radioactive and are kept in lead-lined boxes in Paris. It is said that they will be radioactive for another 1,500 years. To see it, you have to wear a protective gear and sign a liability waiver. Whose notebooks are these? Question number 4. The Man Who Knew Infinity was a 2015 British movie directed by Matthew Brown, starring Dev Patel. Whose biographic movie was that? Question number 5. Google honored this person on her 84th birthday with the doodle you see in the picture. This person was also selected for inclusion in the 1982 Guinness Book of World Records. Name this person. So friends, we look forward to your answers in a single WhatsApp message at the number 790-7635399. We wish you all the very best. Thank you very much.